Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple website using Notepad. It is so easy, just write what I'm writing. First, write doc type HTML. Yep, that is what our document would be. Second, write HTML. That is the name of the that you need this. You need this two lines to declare a name of a document. Then add a head element. Head is the head of your website. Add title. Don't forget to close it with these two greater than or less than things. And then write your website name. For me, it is my web. Yep. /tl. And then if you are finished, write a greater than with a slash. Then write your element. It is title, so title. Do not forget it. It's so important. Then add a style element. Style will be run in CSS, so I will tell you later toward this video. Then add a script element. Script will be run by JavaScript, but in this tutorial, I'm not gonna go through scripting, so script will be in the future videos. Okay, then add /head. That is all for our first head element. Then if you write body is the body of your document, which means it will be displayed. And you can write, if you write it's blah 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 like that thing, you see it, right? That is the random thing. If you write it and if you run it, your result will be just blah blah blah. But it is not that useful. So add a B tag. A B tag is used for bold text. So I will just write my web page. Yep. /B. Don't forget to put the slash with your element ID. Then add a P. P means a paragraph. We will display small, okay? So I will just write paragraph 1. Yep, that's a paragraph. And then, so if you want to link other things, if you want to link to other websites, use an anchor element. Full form is A, write href attribute, followed by these things, which I need to follow by these two things, which I don't know how to call them, or you could just follow by these two. Well, I recommend doing this too, so whatever you like. Then open up your Chrome browser, search Google. See, you see this link over here, right? Copy it. You can close it now. And href, put it in here, your link. Then put the greater than in it. Then you can write what you want to be, like the task. It will display in purple. You can change it using CSS. I will go through toward this course. google.com. Okay. Next, we are gonna add a div element. Div is a box, so you could put anything inside a box. Well, in most of the websites, you may see the div element as a box. So in there, you write UL, and UL makes a space after you write. UL makes a space like that. If you write if you write UL web, it will display like this, web. And put an LI. LI is just a normal text. Like if you put D, it will display D. But if you put UL and LI together, you will create like this, a dot, I mean like this, a dot and your text that you write. So let's use it. The li text that I'm gonna write will be hi. Okay, then it will display hi. Like that, you can spam it as much as you want, like WWE, like that. You can spam it as much as you want. You can spam it as much as you want. So that is for that. Next, we're gonna do is we're gonna add a heading. There are 6 types of heading. Heading 1. So this is HEADING. Heading 1 slash H1. This is heading 1. You can also copy, paste it 6 times. So I was gonna show you the differences. 4, 5, 6. Next. Okay, sorry. This is an accident. 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. And done. These are all the headings. After that, I'm going to show you all about inputs. There are lots of inputs. Input followed by type. There's text input. Text input. There is file input. There is date input. Day input. Even week input. Well, for input, I'm going to show you with task. Or if you want to make a sign-in thing, use int. So I'm just going to use text. There's also number inputs, okay? Just for you to know. Then text. Then use the label. After that, make an ID for your input. Make sure you close it. So the ID is, for the input ID, I'm going to name it TEXT text. This. But I will explain you in the future videos, like these input text, link text don't need slash input, don't need these. But if you want to put it, you can. It's nothing new. So then write LABEL, label, followed by your ID. For me, it's text, so text. Name it as, and for the label of text, just write name. Yep. Okay, so then now I'm going to show you about CSS. So first, put a class for each. First, put for letters H. Yep. Copy it. Copy paste as the shortcut if you don't want to write a lot. Boom. 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 There. So class, you can put as much class as you want, but ID is only personal. You cannot put more than one ID in your paragraph. Then let's go to the style element. So first, we're gonna make these tags white. So then, take the li element and make it color white. Don't forget to add this at the end. Sorry again. I think why it's always happening. And then we're gonna select the whole document HTML. So then write HTML. Then the background color. Purple. I like purple, that's why I'm gonna use with purple. Next, we're gonna talk about class. For class, you just have to put a dot and write the class name, which is H. So then, make it color into. There are lots of colors, so you can just pick it. I'm gonna go with white. Next, we're gonna do is the ID text. So after that, follow the ID with a shaft. With a shaft, and the ID is text. So text. I'm gonna make the background color to black and the color to white. Nice. And now time for the fun part. Let's see what it happens. Go to save. Then name it as you like. As you like web. For me is web. Followed by .html. Select all files. Save.